Most bidet toilet seats sold online are flimsy gimmicks that fail within a year. Pick wrong and you're stuck with wasted cash and constant wobble or leaks. Ever wish you could upgrade your bathroom with comfort and hygiene in one click? This video breaks down the top picks so you can choose confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best bidet toilet seats that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Brondell Swash Ecoseat. From the moment you unbox it, the dual nozzle system promises distinct rear and front wash options, crafted for thorough cleanliness and versatility. This model targets households seeking affordable, straightforward bidet upgrades without electrical installations, appealing to renters, eco-minded families, and minimalists. The seat uses a sturdy, durable construction with a gentle, slow-close lid and a textured chrome dial accent that elevates bathroom aesthetics. Its power requirement is none, since it operates without electricity or batteries, relying entirely on your household water supply for cleaning. Designed for elongated toilets, it measures 20.03 by 14.39 inches, providing a snug, stable fit. Self-installation is straightforward, as the seat anchors securely with standard mounting hardware and requires no professional plumbing or electrical connections. Compared to electric bidet seats from popular brands, this non-electric model eliminates cords and transformers while still delivering a refreshing wash. With dual nozzle options integrated into an elongated seat, compatibility aligns with most North American elongated toilets, simplifying bathroom redesigns. During real-world usage, users report consistent front and rear wash results with smooth nozzle retraction, quiet operation, and dependable water delivery. By removing the need for electricity and cutting paper waste, the Ecoseat aligns with sustainability goals and reduces household energy consumption. The water temperature remains ambient, avoiding warm water surprises and providing a calm, natural wash experience every single use. The textured chrome dial adds a subtle luxury touch while the slow-closing lid minimizes slams and keeps bathroom routines peaceful. Its installation routine takes minutes, with clear instructions and compatible hardware making it feasible for most DIY homeowners. The pros include no electricity required, compatibility with elongated toilets, and a reliable dual nozzle system that covers multiple washes. The cons include no heated water option and limited temperature control for users seeking a warmer wash experience. At number 4, we have the Elongated Bidet Seat. From the moment you open the box, the ultra-slim profile and reinforced brass inlet convey durability and a modern bathroom aesthetic. It measures 17.5 inches in length, 14 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, ensuring broad compatibility. The dual nozzle system delivers dedicated front and rear cleansing with adjustable water pressure, letting users tailor a gentle rinse to thorough cleanse. Its self-cleaning mode rinses the nozzles before and after each use, while retractable guards slide into place, maintaining hygiene between sessions. The soft, close lid ensures quiet operation, reduces wear from slamming, and uses built-in non-slip bumpers to keep the seat stable. Designed to fit most elongated toilets with a compact profile and practical dimensions, ensuring a seamless upgrade to existing bathroom setups. The package includes all necessary mounting hardware and brackets, enabling a quick installation in minutes without inviting a professional plumber or additional tools. In real-world testing, the spray feels consistent across pressure settings, delivering reliable cleansing without splashing or jitter during operation. Compared with a basic non-electric model, this seat offers adjustable pressure, dual nozzles, and a self-cleaning cycle that elevates hygiene. The pros include strong durability from the ABS construction, dual nozzle hygiene with front and rear wash, and a quiet, soft, close lid. The cons include no heated seat option and a higher price relative to basic models, which may deter budget-oriented buyers. The reinforced brass inlet and braided hose add to long-lasting leak-resistant performance, while the ABS shell keeps the overall weight manageable. Its price sits at $79.99, delivering a thoughtful balance of features relative to cost and perceived value. Customer ratings hover around a 4.6 across more than 300 reviews, signaling broad satisfaction and continued everyday reliability. If you want an affordable, durable, non-electric bidet seat with dual spray options and easy installation, this model is worth considering. At number 3, we have the RUIFQ Bidet Toilet Seat. Built for daily family use, this unit blends a soft, close lid with a robust mounting system and universal elongated toilet compatibility. Engineered for elongated bowls, the seat offers ergonomic contours and a secure hinge, with a responsive soft close mechanism to prevent slams. Instant warmth from continuous heating and a 4-level heated seat delivers spa-like comfort the moment you sit, never experiencing cold shocks. The dual control system combines a wireless remote and a side control knob to adjust water pressure, temperature, and nozzle position with ease. The self-cleaning nozzle automatically rinses before and after each use, delivering 99.9% hygiene and peace of mind. The warm air dryer reduces toilet paper usage by 90%, supporting an eco-friendly, hands-free bathroom routine. A built-in LED nightlight guides nighttime visits with soft illumination, avoiding harsh glare and preserving sleep cycles for family members. 15-minute installation with universal accessories is straightforward, designed to fit most elongated toilets and requires no professional plumber. RUIFQ offers a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support to ensure total satisfaction and rapid assistance whenever needed. Compared to a leading rival bidet seat, this model offers noticeably faster warm water delivery and more responsive remote operation. The pros include instant warmth, remote and side knob control, and a self-cleaning nozzle that maintains high hygiene and comfort. The cons include a mid-range price point and no premium heated seat cover option, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. In real-world testing, the unit delivered reliable nightlight performance along with temperature stability and quiet operation. At number 2, we have the Bio Bidet BB2000, a premium seat that redefines bathroom comfort with customizable wash and temperature settings. This premium seat instantly elevates daily routines with a plush heated surface, customizable wash modes, and whisper-quiet electronic operation. The BB2000 employs a robust plastic shell with a refined finish and a stainless steel nozzle system for long-lasting reliability. Targeted buyers include families, seniors, and efficiency-minded households seeking premium hygiene without sacrificing convenience or ease of use. The installation is straightforward with included hardware, concise instructions, and a clear DIY pathway that avoids professional installation fees. Designed to fit most elongated toilets, it provides a seamless integration with night illumination for midnight use without disturbing others. Unlimited warm water and a warm air dryer team up to reduce toilet paper usage while maintaining a spa-like cleansing routine. The nozzle system consists of stainless steel components designed to resist mineral buildup, promoting hygienic cleansing across genders and preferences. The wireless remote provides per-user control over temperature, water pressure, and nozzle position, delivering truly personalized cleansing experiences. Safety features include auto shut-off and energy-efficient heating cycles, ensuring comfort without surprising power consumption in daily use. In real-world testing, warmth remained consistent through multi-cycle sessions, and the wash performed reliably across user types and habits. When compared to the Tushy Classic, the BB2000 offers more intuitive remote control and warmer seat heating, though price rises. The pros include luxurious comfort, easy installation, and superior hygienic design. The cons include higher price compared with mid-range options and the need for a dedicated electrical outlet, which can complicate installations. At number 1, we have the TOTO WASHLET S2. From first glance, the elongated seat with soft closing communicates luxury yet remains approachable for family daily use. The overall build quality feels premium with a smooth finish, resistant to daily moisture, and easy to wipe clean. Its dimensions are engineered to fit elongated bowls and ensure compatibility with most modern bathrooms, offering a clean, streamlined look. Soft close heated seat, integrated nightlight, deodorizer, and premise bowl prep work together to simplify morning routines for everyone at home. Premise wets the bowl before use, helping waste loosen and making front and rear cleansing feel more thorough. E-Waiter plus wand self-cleaning adds peace of mind by sanitizing the wand both inside and out after each operation. The cleansing wand offers pulsating and oscillating streams, letting users tailor coverage and pressure for a genuinely customized cleaning experience. In real-world testing, the warm water stream remains steady without gusts and maintains comfort through longer sessions. Compared to older generation seats, the TOTO WASHLET S2 adds instantaneous water heating and premised for a noticeably improved clean. The pros include soft close heated seat, premise bowl prep, and e-Waiter wand cleaning, delivering comfort, convenience, and maintenance efficiency in daily use. The cons include higher price and the need for a dedicated electrical outlet near the toilet, potentially complicating retrofits. Installation is described as easy do-it-yourself, with guided setup and robust customer service support to address questions during first use. Overall, the TOTO WASHLET S2 provides instant water heating and a refined automated experience that redefines bathroom hygiene and everyday convenience.